how to enable or disable protected apps in Secure Wi-Fi on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we go down and tap on more security settings. Then tap on Secure Wi-Fi. Now make sure you turn on Secure Wi-Fi to use it. Then tap on the More button and then tap on Settings. Next, in the customization section, tap on Protected Apps. Then go down the list and turn on or switch off the protected apps. For any apps that you do not want to use Wi-Fi protection, you can switch it off. And that's it. So in here, you can tap on the toggle button right next to the apps to switch it on or off. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.